I wanted to make a quick video to show you that wood is repairable. Like say you drop a puzzle or whatever and the piece cracks. As long as it's a straight edge, like a clean break, you're going to be able to glue that back together. Using even something as simple as Elmer's glue. It's just, I don't even have wood glue. And I can just, I'll be honest with you, I dropped this and it cracked in 4 pieces. 4 pieces cracked, I should say. And I saved one because I realized I should probably show you guys that you can repair it and you can't even tell. So you can't really tell where it cracked. So all you're going to do is just, I'm going to separate the puzzle and I'm just going to glue one side. Just going to put some glue on. And that's what we're going to do. Like I said, say your dog eats a piece of wood or mangles it, you're not going to be able to fix this. So that's it. Let's see, can you see that? It's just glue, just not a ton, but enough where it's all wet. And you're just going to glue it. I don't even know how this went. That's it. And what I do, like, you shouldn't even be able to tell that it's, I don't know where this camera is. You will know it's broke, but no one else would know it's broke. Hold on a second. I'm going to grab a brush. Because what you're going to do is just brush away this glue that's on the side. And just seriously put it down and push it together exactly where it goes. And even if you want to hold that for a little while. You can't even see this. If you want to hold that for a little while. Or not, just leave it. Just completely leave it. And you will see... Where is this? Can't do it. You'll see that it'll dry completely perfect and probably nobody would know. I know, so I'm going to actually recut this puzzle, but nobody would know at all. And it's going to be I'll show you when it dries actually. Okay, I'm back. It's been probably about 20 minutes to a half hour. I'm not quite sure. This is good enough. I mean, it's strong enough. I don't know if you could see that. That's it. I'm going to put it in and we're going to see. There it is. It's fixed. And you really, to the naked eye or someone that doesn't know it cracked, it's fine. But because this is an actual order, a special order for someone, this has to be recut. But like I said, if you have some wood puzzle or something, you can fix it. Don't think it's garbage. It's not. As long as it's wood and it's a clean cut, you can glue it. So keep that in mind. Thanks for watching.